Hey, what's up carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and today we're doing a unique video. Today we're doing something that I've got no idea what I'm doing, but I know it's gonna be good. So y'all stick around. What's happened here is that a good friend of mine, AKA Firebug, y'all can check him out in the comments. Great subscriber to the channel, great supporter. Thank you so much, Firebug. And also, thank you so much to everyone that takes the time to comment, like, subscribe, anything to my channel. Thank you so much, as always. But what we've got here is a package from way down under. I'm not gonna try to do too much of an Australian accent because I know it's probably insulting. I don't mind it when people do redneck accents from us folks down here in the South. But hey, I was given instructions that in this box, there is some sort of a spread that goes on to like morning toast. I was told to toast some bread, eat it warm. So I just pulled this heavily buttered toast out of my oven, and it's ready to rock and roll. There's also some hot sauce in here of some kind. That's what sort of got this whole thing started. I made a post on my community tab about doing hot sauce related content, and they're like, hey, we're gonna send you some of this and we wanna know what you think. So let's see what's in the box, folks. Nicely packaged. We've got some Vegemite. Vegemite, Vegemite, B vitamins for vitality. Man, I do like my B vitamins. I don't know if y'all are into nutrition, but B is good. It's almost better than A. Proudly Australian made and owned. So this is some local stuff that you can't get anywhere else. Probably the only person in the South that's ever had any. Thank you so much, Firebug. Let's get into seeing what's up with this Dingo, man. Digo Sauce Company. Firebug, I don't know, man. I don't know. This is called the Widowmaker. It says warning, extreme, 15 out of 10 on the heat. Widowmaker hot sauce combines fresh Ghost, Trinidad, Scorpion, Carolina Reaper, and Trinidad 7 pot chili varieties with cider vinegar, garlic, and lime to produce a slow, sustained burn that achieves the perfect balance of flavors and extreme heat. I'm gonna have to get out of the sun. Widowmaker was featured on the cult US chili sauce program Hot Ones, where it was rated 682,000 SHU, the second hottest sauce from a worldwide selection. This one's definitely for the heat fanatic. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I may not try this on this video. I don't know. We'll tell you what, let's just go ahead and get it open. Maybe I should go get a beer. I tell you what, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So we've got an ice cold beer, and I'm gonna try it. A glass of milk, because I don't wanna be hurting all night. I don't care what y'all say. When a bottle of hot sauce says it's the second hottest sauce in the world, I don't know, man. But first what we're gonna do, so that I'm not completely crippled throughout the video, y'all let me know if y'all have had this Dingo Widowmaker sauce, is we're gonna get into this Vegemite. I wonder if this is like mayo or what's going on with it. He said you do not want to eat it by the spoon. Now this is definitely not like mayo. This is not the color of the bottle. This is the color of the sauce, baby. He said it goes good for breakfast. That's not bad. Wait. Forgot about my back pocket butter knife. So we're gonna give this a shot. Hot buttered bread, man. We're gonna put a thin layer on there. We're gonna cap this back off. Since my camera's way back here, I'm gonna come up there and show y'all what this stuff looks like. Vegemite, B vitamins. Hopefully it gives me the strength to overcome the Widowmaker. That is some brown stuff. Hope this is not some sort of a punk or something like that. It's gonna just be totally gross. That's different. It's got a saltier taster than I expected it to have. I can dig it. I can dig the Vegemite. I think I went on a little heavy with it. You know us folks down here in the South, talking about spreading something on some toasted bread, man, first thing popped in my mind was a tomato. This tomato's straight out of my garden. Tastes like my land. Let's see what's up. Make the world's smallest tomato sandwich. What y'all know about that right there? The saltiness flavor from the Vegemite really doesn't go bad with the tomatoes. It's got all this, something called energy in it, which I don't know if that's just calories. Almost no sugars, yet to see the sodium. Stored in a cool, dry place. It's a concentrated yeast extract. So this is definitely not cool and dry here. We're gonna set this out of the sun. So y'all can't be talking no trash. Let's see what's up. Go ahead and get my preparations. Wash the Vegemite tomato sandwich down. All right, so y'all know this is gonna be something just pure terrible, like, you know, 2 drops to a whole batch of chili kind of thing. This is a little technique I learned in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, where they let you sample hot sauces. And some of them, they will not let you do anything but dip a toothpick in it because they don't want to be liable. Let's try it out. Immediate. Woo. Yeah, doesn't take much. Still climbing. Yeah, that's some bad stuff. Wonder if it goes good on a Vegemite and tomato sandwich. It's gonna be a little bit more aggressive. Cheers to my friends down under. Thank you for sending this way over here across the big pond. Thank you for giving me just a little something new to try. I'm gonna have to give that Vegemite a few more tries before it grows on me. It's all right, but it's not like anything I've had. So that takes time for the palate to adjust. Speaking of the palate, let's just go ahead and kill mine. That's hot. I thought I was sweating out here in the sun before I tried it. Not bad though. I mean, it delivers on what they say it's going to deliver. The flavor is really good. The heat is a notch or two above what I typically like to put on food. For trying it, it's great. But if you was to put like this all over some tacos, you know, and you kept eating it and kept eating it and kept eating it and kept building, I think you'd be miserable. I think you'd be plumb miserable. I enjoy heat. I really like hot sauce, but I am not one of those people who's got like a resistance to capsaicin, if you know what I mean, which you don't know that capsaicin is what makes peppers hot, what makes hot sauces hot. I don't have a huge resistance to it, but I do like it. Fun scientific fact. You may not know this, but we are the only creatures on the planet that evolved to like capsaicin, because capsaicin is produced by the plant inside their fruit, which is the peppers, to ward off animals from eating them and destroying them. What we do is when capsaicin hits our tongue and gives us that sensation of pain, the way we adapted over time was to release serotonin and dopamine into our brains, which makes us feel in a better mood. And I can tell you right now, after trying this stuff, I am definitely in a better mood. I'm also kind of like old firebug, man. I don't need milk though. If I took a little bit more, I might need some milk. First time, it's dying down now, so I definitely didn't go the softy route. I didn't immediately wash it down or anything, so y'all can't be talking too much trash. Yeah, I just wanted to make this little video because it meant a lot to me that Firebug sent this to me all the way from Australia. I love all of my subscribers and viewers from Australia. It's so cool knowing that we can connect from way over here in the southern states of the United States all the way over to the beautiful lands of Australia, and we can just connect through food, which is one thing that unanimously binds us humans together. We all love food. We all love to eat. We've got different things that we like, and those preferences bring us together into groups, and y'all are my group. And so if people in my group are looking for a just killer hot sauce, or maybe something to dare one of their friends to try for a good laugh. Also, if you're suffering from depression, anxiety, things like that, Just put some of this on your tongue from time to time. I can promise you, it'll cause that dopamine and serotonin to release into your brain and make you feel a little bit better than you did before, as long as you don't get too bummed out about your tongue being on fire. Thank you so much, Firebug. I enjoyed making this little quick video. If you haven't tried it, try you some Vegemite, man. It's got all sorts of stuff in it that's good for you. Sodium, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, folate. It's basically like an energy drink, except it's a spread that is, you know, sort of salty tasting. I don't know, my palate isn't really there as far as a great way to describe it. It's not like anything I've had, but it was pretty good on a tomato sandwich. Speaking of tomato sandwiches, I'm gonna go get me some mayonnaise and some salt and pepper, and I'm gonna finish up this bread because this ain't going to waste. Thank y'all so much. If you haven't already, smash the like button for me and consider becoming a subscriber to my channel if you enjoy this kind of content. I'm always making different stuff and love getting to know all you great people out there in the internets. Thanks again, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Ooh, that was nice and spicy. The milk took it from a 7 to a 2. Don't automatically go for the milk though. Enjoy the heat.